What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mikhail Casanova, Hawaii's favorite YouTuber and the host of Hawaii's #1 podcast, which is now rebranded to the Casanova Podcast. I'm back with another episode, and we're going to be unboxing the Razer Huntsman Elite. Shout out to Razer for the new hookup on it. This is simply amazing. I'm without words. As a lot of you may know, and a lot of you may not know, I'm a very big Razer fan. Like anything Razer, I'm usually all for it. If you look at my setup, which I'll probably show a setup later, my keyboard, my mouse, my arcade fight sticks, primarily everything is Razer. So, you know, at some point I'm probably gonna get the Razer phone too. But yeah, let's go ahead. I mean, this thing is just, man, this is just epic. So it's got the new opto mechanical switches, so it's supposed to be a little bit quieter, but as good as a standard green switches, I believe. Yeah, these are nowhere near as loud as the other ones are. But let's go ahead and get this box open. So, hope everybody's doing good today. This is actually the first weekend I've had off from everything, from work to, you know, the usual. As you guys can see, I think I need to probably tilt this up a little bit and bring the camera back. There we go. So as you can see here, we got the Razer pamphlet and booklets. It says the Huntsman Elite, you know, for gamers, by gamers. So usual books and stuff. I'm not gonna really go through this. You guys already know what's in here. And then we got a couple other things in here. So let's go ahead and pull out this tab. And this tab as well. Cables on the side. And then I think, yep, that's everything. So let's pull this off. Pull that off. And this is the new hotness. Hidden keys. Plus, as you can see, it's got the volume wheel here, mute play, or mute and unmute play button. As you can see here, it's a mute, volume rocker, fast forward, rewind, play pause. I'm ready. So dual USB. I believe these are USB 3.0, never mind. Take that back. So we are ready to go. Got the kickstands on the back. And here's a magnetic grip for the armrest. So pull this on out. This actually feels really good. It's a good armrest. And it's got the magnetic connector. So I think this also has chroma, so whoa, see that? Look, check it. Just magnetically connects. And it's got the armrest. This is gonna be solid. So let's go ahead and get it. I'm gonna go ahead and get it set up, and then I'll let you guys see from there. So ultimately, I think the Razer Huntsman Elite is definitely worth your money. This keyboard, I just love everything about it, from the detachable armrest, or wrist rest rather, to the way you got the volume rocker, to the play pause, rewind, fast forward features that's on the keyboard itself. It's amazing. Is $200 for it expensive? I mean, that's really up to you. I can't tell you if that's something that you should or shouldn't spend your money on. Only thing I can say is that I think it's personally worth it. I enjoyed it. Shout out to Razer for it. And yeah, definitely, this is Casanova approved. So with that being said, why don't you tell me what you think down in the comment section below. If you guys like this video, you want to see more, if you like this product, or even if you own the product, if you don't like it and you have a better recommendation, Let me know down in the comment section below. And with that being said, you know how we close out the videos. Deuces wild, too sweet, be the elite. And we'll catch you on the next one.